video brought to you by Pepsi. Made in Mexico.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got to ride in one of those new Raptors, and man, was it awesome. It's all got all the bells and whistles and everything, and they got the backup camera and all that. You just look in the center of your dash when you're backing up. It's really cool. We'll see what we can do.
This thing drives good. Peppy.
Oh yeah, I like it. I don't know what's going on here. So I'm just here with Jason. Man, I don't know where he went to, but anyways, yeah, this won't start. I had to rescue him on the highway there and do some Rodney, and what the heck is going on here? This police interceptor is not working worth a hoot. I don't know what's going on here. Where did he take off to? He must be hanging the leak or checking the tire pressure on the truck or something. Oh, I think I saw something move over there. Jason, your piece of crap won't work. I don't know what's going on with this thing. We'll have to do some investigations. But yeah, hopefully we can get this thing going. But I'm glad he made the trip out. This got tripped, so this was up, so I just pushed it down, and then it fired right up. So I'm glad it was something minor, because I was starting to get a little worried there. But yeah, now I'm glad that this thing's working. The check engine light is on now, but that could be a bad intermittent crank sensor or cam sensor or something like that. So anyways, I'm glad we got it running. Oh yeah.